Hi, I'm Ronnie from Ronnie's Garage. Today we're holding our monthly tech meet at my shop, and we're going to be working on steering racks. I'm going to show you how to take them apart, put them back together, and hopefully make them work. So here's how it works. See that? That's how it moves it. So this is the rack and this is the pinion. That's why they call it a rack and a pinion. Okay? So
are those typically in serviceable condition when you... Typically
they are, yes. Sometimes collision damage, they'll break the mount will break. Another thing that'll happen is if somebody tries to get this piece off, which I'm guilty, that's how I learned. When it's seized, and they try pounding it off or twisting it off, this tube twists, distorts, and when this is sliding back and forth, you can see it's got a lip seal facing out here, and it's also got these PFTE, they're like a bearing. So what those bearings do, they slide real nice in that tube, but they keep it from shifting. When they get worn out, and these typically are not replaced by the cheap rebuilders either, when they start doing this, it's working a seal too much, and it'll start leaking. When you go full lock, you know, it'll twist that because you're putting pressure on it, and fluid will get by, and then eventually they'll start leaking out.
Is the rack and the pinion, are they a match set?
No, not like a gear set. No, not that I'm aware of. And then yes, Ray has discovered something that these come off. This is a PFTE, like I said, and this also comes off. This seal's a bit hard, and I don't want to go towards me because I always poke myself. That's a hard one. When we put the new ones on, you'll see that they're much softer and flexible. Unless this has been on there a long time, it's got it's just too slimy here.
What was wrong with this particular unit?
I don't know. These are some that I have from. Sometimes I buy used parts. Sometimes I part out cars. These are spares.
I see.
Typically they leak. That's the thing. There's also. That's a tough seal. Let's see if we can modify it. Typically all you have to do to these is just fix them from leaking. So you don't have to make any modifications or adjustments. I'll get that once I get it cleaner. To center this on the spool, that would require a flow testing situation, a set of gauges, so you could center it or you could play around with it. And then this, sometimes I'll take one that's kind of tired and it feels a little loose, just remove a couple shims and that'll tighten up the gear mesh. When these are on the car and this is bolted to that and on here, it's normal for them to have some play up and down. That's normal. But a lot will cause a lot of extra looseness in the steering. All right, that's this one. I'm going to clean this up real quick. So if you guys want to take a quick break, then I'll put the parts over there and we'll take the other one apart. Okay?
Can this be, I mean, can you get a replacement part for this?
Mm-hmm. Comes with the proper kits.
I see.
Yeah. Any other questions? Nope? Okay, let's take a break real quick and I will get this stuff cleaned up. Typically I'll put this in a big parts washer. We don't have time for that today.